Hello and welcome! Today I'll be making these fish bone earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Take your ball of white clay and shape it into a fish head. You do this by flattening the ball of clay and pinching out two corners. Once you have it to the shape you would like, use your tissue blade to cut the space for the mouth. Pry it open slightly so that you can get the eye hook inside. Also place an eye hook at the back of the fish head. Make an indentation where you want the eye to be, and then place in a bead. Do the same for the other side too. To make the fish tail, take one of your balls of white clay and flatten it and make it into a square shape. Insert your eye hook at the top of the fish fin. Use your needle tool or a toothpick to make lines in the fish fin. You can decorate it however you wish. To make your fish bones, take one of your balls of white clay, roll it out, and then bend the sides down. It'll kind of look like a boomerang. Take one of your stick pins and run it through the middle. Make 6 fish bones for each earring. I do make them slightly smaller the closer they get to the fish fin. Now bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks. If you would like to resin your pieces, do so at this time. I will not be resining my pieces. To assemble your earrings, take one of your stick pins and make an eye hook at one end. And starting with the bead, alternate between the beads and the fish bone. Once you have placed on your last bead, make an eye hook and close it off. Attach a jump ring to the top of the fish head and add your earring hook. Attach a jump ring to the top of the fish bone. Attach this to the bottom of the fish head. Attach a jump ring to the top of the fish fin. Add this to the bottom of the fish bones. And your fish bones are complete. Please check back. I do post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1:30 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!